Hi,
Hello.
what is your name?
My name is Vednai.
Which class are you studying?
I am studying in UKG.
What is your school name?
Krishnaveni Talent School.
I will ask a few Telugu words. Can you tell in English?
Yes.
Okay. Tinu,
Eat.
Tinaku,
Don't eat.
Taku,
Touch.
Takaku,
Don't touch.
Rayu,
Write.
Rayaku,
Don't write.
Chadavu,
Read.
Chadavaku,
Don't read.
Go, Vellu, Vellu,
Go.
Vellaku,
Don't go.
మాట్లాడు
Speak.
మాట్లాడకు
Don't speak.
నవ్వు
Laugh.
నవ్వకు
Don't laugh.
ఏడు
Cry.
ఏడకు
Don't cry.
గిల్లు
Teach.
గిల్లకు
Don't